Are your essential oils gathering dust on the shelf? You can make this Muscle Tamer Massage Bar to soothe your sore muscles and use essential oils. With this essential oil recipe, you'll go from to... Hi, I'm Katie, co-founder of Simply Earth. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. Turn off distractions, making is healing, and let's get started. Here's what you need to make this recipe. The key ingredients to making this massage bar is a mold like this. It has textured nubs on the end that are gonna work amazing for massage. For the consistency, I'm going to be using all natural ingredients, beeswax, almond oil, and solid coconut oil. For oils, I'm going to be using Simply Earth's Relief Blend, Cajeput essential oil, and copaiba essential oil. Let's get started. To start, I'm going to be melting my oil ingredients together, adding my essential oils at the very end after things have been melted. 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Almond oil is a carrier oil that helps dilute essential oils and it has amazing benefits for our skin. 2 tablespoons of solid coconut oil. This helps get the melt on your skin type consistency. And I'm using 2 tablespoons of that, which is the same as 1/8 of a cup. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of beeswax. Now I need to melt this. I can do this in the microwave using short intervals. So I'm gonna go melt this, be right back. So this is melted and we don't want it to be too hot when we add the essential oils. If you have a thermometer, it'd be good to check the temperature of your melted oils and make sure it's around 150 degrees Fahrenheit or less. I'm going to be adding the essential oils now. I'm going to be using 30 drops of Relief Blend, 15 drops of Cajeput, and 15 drops of copaiba essential oil. So now I'm going to stir it really well and make sure the essential oil is fully diluted. Next, I'm going to pour this into my massage bar mold. So this is now totally solid and I'm going to carefully remove it from the mold. So I'm going to try to evenly and gently remove it from the mold. Success! Now to use this, it will gently melt on the body when it comes into contact with your skin, and you can massage any area that you choose. It's also a great recipe to use to massage your neck or your arms or any other tired muscles. The Simply Earth recipe box makes it so easy to make natural recipes, so go make it right now. I love seeing your creations on social media, so when you make this, snap a picture and tag from Simply Earth and use hashtag #IMadeThis. You are gonna love using essential oils with confidence and clarity. Let's make this Muscle Tamer Massage Bar together so that you can use your essential oils to live a more natural lifestyle. Go get your box today and make this amazing recipe.